another life, I could have been a long-haul truck driver. 'Cause I just love driving. Some of my favorite memories are long road trips across the country. It's like meditation to me. Sometimes I'll just turn the music off and listen to the sound of the road and watch the scenery fly past as day turns into night. 'Cause nothing makes me feel more alive. Like the possibilities are endless. The horizon keeps moving forward and I'm not tied down to anything or anyone. There's a sense of where I'm going, a general direction, but nowadays I don't care when I get there. I opt for the scenic route whenever possible. Avoid highways and tollways when I can. And if there's a scenic detour, I'm taking it. And I'm stopping for lunch because wherever I go, I'm home. Whether that's snow-capped mountains, or warm sandy beaches, or some city street, I've got a home on wheels. And I've got my best bud beside me sharing the adventure. It's a simple life, chasing experiences on the open road. And that's what I call living. Good morning and welcome to Bonneville Salt Flats. Kirby and I have been driving for a couple days now, and it's been a couple weeks since our last adventure. We took some time off to help my dad out with some of his medical appointments and to take care of my mom. Thank you, by the way, for everyone who's left comments and asked about his well-being. He's doing a lot better now. The doctor has him on some meds, and he had one more follow-up procedure to sort of jumpstart his heart, I guess, which went well and was a success. His cardiologist says that he doesn't have any more follow-up appointments for a while, so we're clear to take off and enjoy van life and get up to some adventures. So I decided to drive out here to Utah. There's quite a few places that I would like to check out. Being a landscape photographer, Utah is kind of a paradise for someone like me. There's a lot of wild places out here in Utah to photograph, and I'm looking forward to doing that. So we're here parked at a rest area. If you come out to check out the Bonneville Salt Flats, depending on the water level, you can actually drive out onto the flats and walk out there. And when we got here is a little bit high water level. There's nobody out there right now. We got in here yesterday evening and took some photos. It was really cool, actually. There's a little bit of a engagement photo session happening in the background. And they had some professional photographers out here with lights and everything, and it was probably one of the most incredible sunsets that I've seen. We had some dramatic clouds, and as the sun was setting, you were getting lots of like side lighting and a mixture of warm and cool colors in the shadows and in the highlights. But anyways, we stayed out here. Utah's still pretty chilly. It was about 40 degrees when we woke up, so we're headed into Salt Lake City today to run some errands. I've got to restock some pet food for my dogs, so we're going to head into the city, kind of take it from there. Are you ready to get going, buddy? You ready for some more driving?
If I put this in the language of Oriental philosophy and religion, it would be something like this. The Buddha said that wisdom must come only from the abandonment of selfish craving or desire. One who abandons that desire attains nirvana, which is supreme peace, liberation. Nirvana means in Sanskrit, blow out. That is, exhale the breath. The opposite, desire, is to breathe in. Now, if you breathe in and hold it, you lose your breath. But if you breathe out it comes back to you. So the principle here is, if you want life, don't cling to it. Let go.
So we just got done shopping at the camera store. And a couple things that I need for making these YouTube videos. And now that we're done with that, I think it's time to get out of the city and head down south to Zion National Park. Not sure if we're going to make it there tonight because it's several hours away, but we're going to try and find a place to crash for the night. Either some boondocking or maybe just another rest area. So we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Did you miss me while I was gone, buddy? I wasn't gone too long, was I? No. Thanks for being patient, buddy. You like being in the hot sun? Laying on your mat that Auntie Amber gave you? Yes. Yes. You like that, huh, buddy? A little scratchy. Paws are looking kind of dusty there, buddy. Look at them. You ready for a fire, buddy? You ready for a fire tonight? Should we do a fire?